Top of the morning to you. I'm Jim Flanagan with InTomsRiverNJ.com, and today is the 1st of February in the year 2012. What I would like to do today is give you a little market report for the greater Toms River, New Jersey real estate market. So if we take a look at this flash chart, and I'll include the flash chart in the blog post below this video, but if you'll notice why it's called the flash chart, if you move your mouse around the chart itself, it'll give you little pop-up numbers and statistics. So it's kind of a very interactive chart. But what we can see here, and this chart includes the 90-day average of single-family homes in the greater Toms River area. And by the greater Toms River area, that means zip codes 08753, 08755, and 08757. So this does include some adult community or retirement homes. So if we look at this yellow line, what this is telling us is the median price of homes that sold in the last 90 days in the greater Toms River area. So if we go back 90 days to November 4th in 2011, we can see that the median sold price for a single family home in Toms River is $235,560. If we look just back at the end of January here, let's get the median price point. Back on January 27th, it was down to $224,923. And as we know, the median price means half of the homes sold for more and half of the homes sold for less. So as of last week, and actually for a couple of weeks, because it looks like we've been flat all month of January here, which could signal or symbolize a bottom or a bottoming out of the prices here in Toms River. That's something we have to keep an eye on month by month. But we can see prices really didn't change at all for the month of January. The median home sale price stayed around $225,000. Again, half sold for more and half sold for less. This other line here, this blue line, is the median market action index. And what that means is what the activity is like out there, buying and selling activity. So we can see it's a little bouncier, it's a little more jagged than the median price. So as we finish off January, our median MAI, or Market Action Index, was 16.27, right? What that means is a balanced market where it's neither a buyer-seller or a buyer's market nor a seller's market needs a Market Action Index of 30. So 30 is a balanced market. So a 16.27 definitely means it's still a buyer's market. It's below 30. So anything below 30 is a buyer's market. Anything above 30 is a seller's market. So we're still seeing an excellent buyer's market. Now, if we look in the middle here, what we see here, this is our inventory in Toms River. So in those zip codes I mentioned before, 08753, 08755, and 08757, our inventory has been steadily declining over the last 90 days. So as of the end of January, we have a total inventory available in those zip codes, single family homes and adult community homes, of just about 1,150 homes for sale. So while it's still an active market for buyers and prices have been coming down, the supply or the inventory homes is starting to diminish or be sold off. So something to think about as we go into the spring market here. The good homes are selling. The prices are finally getting realistic. Sellers are getting realistic with their prices in Toms River, and the good homes are starting to sell off. So if you're thinking about buying your home this year in Toms River, New Jersey, you may want to get started sooner rather than later. So just remember to visit our website, InTomsRiverNJ.com. You can take a look at the home page right here, and this is where you'll actually find this post with that with the chart I just went over with you, so you can take a look at it at your leisure and click on the mouses and see things. And also visit our 365 Things to Do in Toms River, New Jersey Facebook page and like it if you will. So if you like everything you saw, please share this with everybody that you know. Come visit us on InTomsRiverNJ.com. Share this with your friends as well. I thank you for your time. I hope you found this useful, and the rest of the day to yourselves.